everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa, and I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. This is part of my Slow Cooker Sunday series, where every Sunday I just like to upload a healthy weight loss slow cooker recipe that you can start incorporating into your weekly meal plan. Here at Healthy Days, I do not overcomplicate weight loss. I am just very intentional about the ingredients that I'm putting into my body. And I also know that it's very important to stay consistent. So once you start making all of these recipes and start being intentional about meal prepping, meal planning, you're going to see incredible weight loss results. So today we're making a delicious garlic chicken parmesan in the slow cooker. Gather up your ingredients and let's get started.
On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos every week. Okay, so if you've checked out any of my other videos, you know that I always encourage you to go ahead and screenshot this page or even pause the video so that you can jot it down quickly. It's so important that you have it to reference so that when you go to the store, you pick up these exact ingredients and start making these slow cooker chicken recipes along with me each week.
Okay, so now that you've made the commitment to yourself to start incorporating these healthy slow cooker recipes into your weekly meal plan, start by simply placing the 3 large chicken breasts down in the slow cooker. Once you have your chicken placed down in there, you're going to go ahead and add in your seasonings. So you're just going to add a little salt and pepper. I like to use the pink Himalayan salt. Looks like that. And your minced garlic. Go ahead and add that right on there. And next we're going to simply sprinkle in our 1 cup of spinach. So gut healthy, so much fiber, antioxidants. Sprinkle that in there. Next, you're going to go ahead and sprinkle in your Italian seasonings. All of these ingredients are intentional. The garlic is so good for digestion. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle in the Parmesan cheese. I like to put the Parmesan cheese in with the sauce while it's cooking because then that flavor infuses into the meat and it's so yummy. And then finally, we are going to add in our marinara. That's going to keep the chicken nice and moist. Add that in there and simply put the cover on. Set your slow cooker to low. And we're going to check back on that in about 4 hours. At the 4-hour mark, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on top, and we might let it slow cook for another hour to hour and a half. So once you get all of that done, set it and forget it. Just remember to come back to add in the mozzarella cheese, and we are going to see what we cooked up. All right, so it's been about 7 hours. We're going to go ahead and take off the lid. Look at that. Garlic chicken parmesan. So gut healthy with all our intentional ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and serve up a piece, and then I'm going to meal prep it out for the rest of the week. All right, so there you can see we have a delicious piece of the chicken out. Has the spinach in there, all of the yummy ingredients that are going to help us with our weight loss journey. All we have to do is be intentional about the ingredients that we're putting into our body. I'll probably cut this one in half and then have it with some of my roasted vegetables that I always make up for the week, and just continue to meal prep, meal plan, follow along with these recipes. Everything has the intentional ingredients that are going to get you the weight loss results that you're looking for. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.
As always, thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you will start adding these slow cooker chicken recipes into your weekly meal plan, and you are going to see consistent weight loss results. If you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos each week, and I give you the exact blueprint, step by step, how to follow along and have successful weight loss. See you next time.